How to change Outlook view back to normal. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on View located on top. In here, simply go to View Settings, as you'll find View Settings above Favorites. Simply click on View Settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Layout, scroll down till you find your normal Outlook layout. Simply select the one you want or simply which was your previous one. After that, click on save and you're good to go. This is how to change Outlook view back to normal.
If this video helps you out, please
Thank
leave
you
a
for
like
joining
and
me today. If
subscribe
this
for more.
video helps you
Got a
out,
question
please
or want
leave
to
a like and
suggest a
subscribe for
topic,
more.
comment below. I
Got a
am
question or
Sophia
want to
signing off.
suggest a
Until next
topic,
time.
comment below. I am
Thank you
Sophia
for joining
signing
me
off.
today. If this
Until
video helps
next
you
time.
out, please leave a